everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. We have a fun box today. My very first BeautyFIX box. It comes from Dermstore. The subscription is $24.95 for a single monthly subscription, or if you want to do like pay 3 months at a time, it's $69 for 3 months, and then they have 6 months and an annual. They will have 5 or more items, full-size items and deluxe sample size items. So this one is my first one. I'm excited to try it out. There will be a code below for a discount for you guys if you want to give it a try. Okay, so the inside looks like this. It has, we're here for the Unabashed Love of Skin BeautyFIX by Dermstore. And it's got these cute little black squigglies in it. And I'm going to set it down and see what we've got going on. Our first thing... Ooh, okay, a gold foil eye mask. I want to say I've actually tried this one. I've tried some kind of gold foil eye mask. This might be it. This has I cannot pronounce that. Bacuchiol. If you know how to pronounce that, post it in the comments. CoQ10 and hyaluronic acid. This is one pair of masks for your eyes. And this... It came cold because it's cold outside, so now's probably the perfect time to try it. But we have one set of eye masks from Skin Gym. Okay, this is different. This is from Orib. It came in a baggie. It says home compostable certified zero waste. This bag is made of a mixture of corn, rice, cassava starches, which are compostable materials designed to break down within 6 months in a home compost. So do not recycle. I guess if you throw it in a recycle, it's not recyclable, but it is biodegradable. So yay. What we have from Orib is a Serene Scalp Exfoliator. And again, I feel like I've had this one before in my life. I can't remember how long ago. I'm not sure I'm going to try it. I'll check into it a little bit, but we do have a good Orib product. I do like Orib products, but I'm not sure about a scalp exfoliator scrub. So we'll see about that one. All right, so the next item from Grown Alchemist. This is a detox serum. This looks to be a full size, certified toxic free, 100% natural, a new revolution of healthy, scientifically advanced formulations, the biology of beautiful skin. This is gluten-free, animal safe, vegan, all kinds of little certifications on the back of it. Oh, this is nice and cold. Everything has been in the mail truck and it's freezing here. All right, so we have our nice Grown Alchemist brown glass bottle. That should be a good one to try. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a 1.1 fluid ounce. Next, we have a teeny sample, but it is a deluxe sample. And this is PCA Skin Rebalance. It's very plain except for that label. It has nothing else on it, the little manufacturer stamp. So I've got to peel this off and see what it says. Look, we have all this. This says, after cleansing, toning, and applying your treatment serum, smooth into the skin day and night. Follow with the appropriate PCA Skin broad spectrum SPF product in the daytime. So I'm going to guess this is a moisturizer. We still have more. There's still more. So we have from First Aid Beauty, Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration, Skin Protectant, safe for sensitive skin. And this is a 1 ounce tube. So I don't know if this is their full size, but this is definitely a deluxe size. If not, it's a good size sample of a product. And being a 1 ounce, it's very likely they're full size. The next we have is Peter Thomas Roth. This is Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. This is definitely going to be a deluxe sample. It's very small. This is a 7.5 ml size. So I love a good hyaluronic cream. So I'm going to give that one a try and see. I have tried a few, I have tried a few hyaluronic creams that I've just loved. I haven't found one as good as the one I'm out of, but you never know. This might be the replacement. All right, I'm going to dig through. I might be to the bottom of the products, but I'm going to dig down through the squiggles. That is our box. So, hi everybody. I had to do a follow-up on this review. I haven't had any experience with them prior to this box to know what the subscription should include, other than what their website says, which is it's at least 5 products with some full size, some sample size, and the value should be at least $100. I'll put a little screenshot up of the actual website verbiage. After opening the box, I started thinking about, was the value really $100? So I did some recon. I found as many products as I could on the actual Derm Store website, and the other ones I priced from Ulta or Amazon, mainly finding the manufacturer's suggested retail price for the product to calculate the cost per ounce of the sample. So here's what I found out. I got my little scribbles. The Orib hair product, and this is I'm just going over the sizes again, a ½ ounce. This is a $6.20 sample. I'm going to go through the sample sizes first, and then we'll look at the full size value. This little PCA skin sample, the full size version of it makes this $8.67 per ounce. I'm sorry, $8.67 for this size. So this is a pricier product, but it's still just a teeny weensy bit. The Peter Thomas Roth, this one is a $7.94 value based on the price per ounce of the full size product. The First Aid Beauty is a 1 ounce. This one, I did actually find the 1 ounce size for $14 sold as a standalone, but then as a price per ounce from just the full size version, this would have been a $6.33. So I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt and call this a $14 sample. The last thing on here is the Grown Alchemist, and this is our only full size product in this box. On Derm Store's website, it's $41.30. So this one has a $41.30 value. At the very top value I can give this box, it is $86.11. So we fall short almost $15 of the value that they promise on the subscription for the site. So I took my investigation skills a little further and reached out to their customer service. And so my question to them was, I got my box based on the value that I calculated. It's this much. Am I missing an item? I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt. Maybe there was something else should have been included in the box that wasn't. She said, no, we can confirm there's nothing missing from your order. My impression of the interactions with her were that she really thought I was talking about that I had gathered an order together and placed an order, and I had an issue with that, rather than understanding I was talking about their subscription box. I'm not sure we ever quite got to that understanding. So I was like, you said that the value that you say on the website says it should be at least $100. This wasn't at least $100. I said, I'm doing a review for the box on my channel, and I want to make sure I give my viewers the right information. And she came back with, well, would you rather pay full price? And I was like, well, no, I'd rather have the value that you promised. So they offered to give me back my money, and I said I was really saddened that they are not offering the value that they promised on the website. Again, benefit of the doubt, I really don't think she understood I was talking about the subscription box. So she asked, did I want to have it escalated to someone else? And I agreed to that. So I'm still waiting for that. They need 3 to 5 business days to look into it and get back with me. So I don't know what the outcome will be. I honestly considered just seeing if I could cancel what I paid for, get my money back, send them back the box, and just scratch the whole project. So I did decide to go ahead and keep it. It is only $20 a box. So we did get obviously more than our value back, but my issue is they're not coming through with what's advertised. So that's a TBD on whether or not they're actually going to ever give full value of the box. This is my first one. I don't know if typically there should be more value to it. Maybe this box was a fluke. We will get 2 more boxes with this 3-month subscription. I wanted to give you guys an update on what I found out, since my original impression of the box was positive. I thought it was a nice box, but then, like I said, after more contemplation, realized that I probably didn't get my value that they promised. So I didn't. I'll let you guys know with my next BeautyFIX box what the update is on what they're going to do or not do, or if they're ever going to really promise you give you the value that they promise. So that is one tricky thing when a company's giving you deluxe samples that are not individually sold. They can assign a value to it that may be inflated. So they may come back and say each of these samples had a $10 or $15 value, where I see it as a $6 or $8 value. And that's their prerogative. If they want to put that on there, there's no way I can dispute that, because the item is not sold separately. So it could be that in their estimation it is a $100 box. We'll find out. So I'll let you know. So that is our BeautyFIX box for January. This is my first one. I did sign up for a 3-month subscription. We'll see how it goes if I sign up to keep it longer. But for now, this is the one we got. Let me know what you think below. I'd love to hear your comments. Are you familiar with the box? Do you know if you get makeup in it sometimes? I'd like to see that. So also let me know if you'd like to see any other subscription boxes that I haven't thought of yet. I'm growing my channel, so I'm not going to sign up for every single box on the market yet, just because I'm paying for everything and I've got to watch my money. So I want to make sure that the ones I'm getting are ones everybody wants to see. So let me know what you think below. Thank you so much for being with me today and joining me on Beth Unboxes. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Please share my channel, hit that like button, hit the notifications bell, and above all, have a great rest of your day.